Alright, parents, carers, and veggie-loving heroes, are you ready to transform those tiny humans into happy little veg eaters? We've all been there, the battle of the broccoli, the pea-pocalypse on the plate, but trust me, getting those vibrant vitamin-packed veggies into those growing bellies doesn't have to be a kitchen nightmare. Over the next 10 tips, I'm going to show you some proper tricks to not just make veggies palatable, but downright irresistible. Get ready for smiles, not struggles, it's veggie magic time. Number 1, first up, let's make it impossible for those little peepers to resist. We're talking a rainbow on a plate. Think about it, a plate piled high with vibrant, colorful veggies is way more exciting than a bowl of beige, right? Tomatoes bursting with redness, bright green beans, sunny yellow peppers, and those magical purple carrots. Make it a game. Can you eat all the colors of the rainbow today? Trust me, a visually appealing plate is half the battle won. Number 2, let's be honest, dipping is fun, no matter how old you are. So let's use this to our advantage. Whip up some quick, healthy dips. A dollop of creamy hummus, a vibrant beetroot dip, or a simple yogurt and herb dip. Suddenly, those cucumber sticks and carrot batons are transformed into vehicles for deliciousness. Get the little ones involved too. Let them be dipping detectives, experimenting with different flavor combinations. Number 3, there's something truly magical about growing your own food. Even if you don't have a garden, a windowsill herb box or a pot of cherry tomatoes can work wonders. Get those little hands dirty, planting seeds, watering them, and watching them sprout. Suddenly, those green beans aren't just veggies from the shop, they are their very own creations. And let's be honest, anything you've nurtured yourself always tastes better. Number 4. Okay, sometimes we need to get a little bit sneaky. Don't worry, I'm not talking about anything drastic. It's all about incorporating veggies into dishes they already love. Finely grated courgette in a tomato sauce, a handful of spinach whizzed into a smoothie, or some finely chopped mushrooms in their favorite pasta sauce. They'll be none the wiser, and you can give yourself a little high five. Number 5. Kids are like little sponges, they soak up everything they see us do. So let's make sure we're setting the best example. Load up your own plate with colorful veggies, talk about how much you enjoy them, how strong they make you feel. Make mealtimes a shared, positive experience, and you'll be amazed at how quickly those little ones start copying your healthy habits. Number 6. Let's face it, food is more fun when it looks exciting. Ditch the boring old slices and get creative. Use cookie cutters to make pepper stars, create cucumber caterpillars, or build a broccoli forest on their plate. You can even use a spiralizer to turn veggies into noodles. Remember, we eat with our eyes first, so let's make those plates irresistible. Number 7. Who doesn't love a bit of control? Create a build-your-own meal station with a variety of colorful veggies. Let your little ones pick and choose what they want to add to their plate. This not only gives them a sense of ownership over their meal, but it also encourages them to try new things. It's all about making mealtimes fun and interactive. Number 8. Now, I'm not talking about bribing with sweets here, but a little positive reinforcement goes a long way. Create a simple reward chart for trying new veggies or finishing their greens. It could be as simple as a sticker for each veggie they try and a small treat or activity after they've collected a certain number. Remember, it's all about celebrating those small victories. Number 9. Just like us, some veggies pair better with certain flavors. Think about roasting root vegetables with a drizzle of honey, adding a sprinkle of cheese to cauliflower, or tossing green beans in a little bit of soy sauce and sesame oil. It's all about experimenting and finding those winning flavor combinations that will have them asking for seconds. Number 10. Just like we thrive on routine, so do our little ones. Make veggies a part of every meal, even if it's just a few bites. Offer them at snack time too, alongside their usual favorites. The key here is consistency and repetition. It might take a while, but eventually those little taste buds will adapt and those veggies will become a welcome part of their daily routine. So, there you have it. 10 tricks to transform those tiny humans into happy little veg eaters. Remember, it's all about making it fun, exciting, and most importantly, delicious. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and most importantly, be patient. Every bite of those vibrant, vitamin-packed veggies is a step towards a healthier, happier future. Now go forth and conquer those plates. You've got this.